Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Bienvenidos a mi cocina. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a dish from Cuba called Frituras de Caritas or Pollitas de Caritas. And basically what it is black-eyed pea fritters. So if you ever eaten a fritter, they're like little donuts or little fried pieces of dough. You can either make them sweet or savory, but this dish is a savory dish. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to make. So let's get started.
Hola mis cariños, les voy a enseñar cómo hacer esta receta deliciosa de Cuba. Muchas recetas aprendí de mi familia. No nací allí en Cuba, pero mi familia es de allí. Vamos a empezar. El primer paso es remojar los frijoles durante 8 horas más o menos o toda la noche. Y tiene que cambiar el agua 2 o 3 veces. So you want to soak the beans overnight or at least 8 hours, and that's so that the beans can get soft enough for you to remove the skin. Este es un proceso tibio, pero tiene que ser paciente. Vale la pena. This dish originated in Africa and was brought to Cuba through the slave trade. Esta receta originó en África y fue llevado a Cuba por los esclavos. So for the ingredients, I'm using 1 cup of beans, 3 garlic cloves. I'm using scallions, 2 ají cachuchas, which are sweet peppers from Latin America. I'm also using sazón completa, salt and pepper, and I'm using about 1/2 cup of water. Para los ingredientes necesitamos son una taza de frijoles de caritas, cebollino, ají cachucha o pimiento verde, 3 dientes de ajo, sazón completa, sal y pimienta y media taza de agua. And for the ají cachucha, you can substitute that with a regular green pepper because they are difficult to find in the United States. You probably will find them in places like Miami, of course, New Jersey, and some places in New York. But like I said, you can use a green pepper if you can't find them. Las ají cachuchas las lugares como Cuba y Puerto Rico. Si no pueden encontrarla, no te preocupes porque puedes usar pimiento verde o rojo. So what I'm doing now is just chopping up all the vegetables because this is what I'm going to use to season my beans. Ahora mismo estoy preparando mi sazón para los frijoles y esta receta no tiene muchos ingredientes, pero será delicioso. So this is what my beans look like after I peeled them. Mis amores, aquí tengo mis frijoles. Como pueden ver, parecen blancos y quedaron muy limpios. And now what I'm going to do is add about 1/2 cup of water to my blender so that I can start blending the beans, and the water will make the blending process a lot easier. Una vez listos los frijoles, vamos a licuar con media taza de agua los ingredientes por unos minutos hasta que suavecito. When adding in your water, don't add too much because you don't want your mixture to be too watery. Y no pongas demasiado agua porque tendrás una masa aguosa. So now I'm going to pour out the mixture into a bowl and I'll show you what the mixture looks like. Okay, pasado 5 minutos y esta es lo que quiere. Okay, so this is the consistency that you want. Now what I'm going to do is add my vegetables into the mixture, and you can leave it like that or you can blend it up a little bit more. So I'm adding in some dry seasoning, and that's the sazón completa, which is complete seasoning, and some salt and pepper. Ok, mi masa está lista. Le voy a poner un poquito de condimento seco, sazón completa, sal y pimienta, nada más. Mezcla bien y vamos a freír las frituras. So after mixing this up and looking at my dough, I decided that I'm going to blend this up a little bit more. So I'm going to put this in my NutriBullet and blend it up just for a few seconds. Esta consistencia no me gusta, entonces voy a mezclarla un poquito más. Okay, so now I'm going to check the consistency and see what it looks like, and this is just the way I want it. Nice and creamy. Esta es la consistencia lo que me gusta, una masa cremosa. Cuando tú cocinas con amor, tu comida se queda deliciosa, ¿verdad? And we can't forget the egg. So I'm adding in 1 egg. I didn't mention that earlier. I just realized that. So we're going to add 1 egg so we can bind everything together. Vamos a añadir un huevo para unir todos los ingredientes. Y perdóname, se me olvidó mencionarlo. Okay, so let's start frying our fritters. Vamos a freír las frituras. And you want your batter to be light and fluffy so that your fritters will be light and fluffy and they will float when they're frying. You can tell. You can tell if it's light because it's not sinking to the bottom of the pan. No quiere una masa gruesa porque tus frituras serán crudos adentro. These burn really fast, so don't walk away from the stove. No se vaya de la estufa porque las frituras quemarán muy rápido. Y revolverlos constantemente. And you want to turn them frequently so they won't burn. And don't leave them into the oil too long because then they'll get soggy. Cuando cocinas las frituras, no déjala en el aceite demasiado tiempo porque estarán empapadas. These make great appetizers for parties. So I'm going to show you now how to make a dipping sauce, a quick dipping sauce for this. So right now what I'm doing is chopping up some garlic and cebollino. In English, it's scallions. Sorry about that. I'm adding scallions to it. This is the problem that I have speaking Spanish and English. Sometimes I forget the English word and sometimes I forget the Spanish word. So please forgive me. Perdóname, chicas, tuve un problema recordando cómo dice cebollino en inglés. Esto es mi problema cuando hablo en dos idiomas. Bueno, voy a hacer una salsa hecha de mayo, ajo y cebollino. So I'm just going to blend this a little bit, and then I'm going to have a nice dipping sauce for my frituras. Mezcle un poco la mayonesa y tendrá una rica salsa. So now I'm going to serve my frituras. Estas son buenas tapas para hacer por una fiesta o lo que sea. So I want to show you what the consistency looks like inside. The texture is like a little donut. You see? So all you have to do is dip it in your sauce and enjoy. Bueno, mis cariños, es hora para yo irme. Gracias por verme. Si te gusta este video, dale un like y suscríbete a mi canal. Well, everybody, it's time for me to go, but I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and Reddit. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.